Now, what are the different type of trends here? So there are broadly two categories of trends. One is short-term trend, intermediate-term trend, and long-term trend. Instead of talking about short-term, intermediate, and long-term trend, I would like to say intraday trader, swing trader, and a positional trader. That is what we have already covered here. Now, what is the trend you see on the screen? And why do you think so? Can I say that this is an uptrend because the prices are making a higher high and a higher low? Yes or no? So can we say an uptrend is a trend? So whenever a stock, a commodity, a currency, whatsoever, whenever it forms a higher high accompanied by a higher low, whenever it forms a higher high and a higher low, the stock is said to be in uptrend. So what is this and why? Okay, so this is a downtrend because the market forms a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So as long as the market forms a lower low, a lower high supported by, accompanied by a lower low, the market is said to be in a downtrend. Sounds good to everyone? And when the market does not form, or when the market forms higher high accompanied by lower low, or lower low accompanied by higher high, the market is said to be in no trading zone. So we have learnt about three trends: uptrend, downtrend, and no trading zone. First, we will get expertise on all these kind of trends, and then we will talk about a trading strategy. I hope that makes sense for everyone. Yes or no? Sounds good? So far, we have talked about the type of products. We have talked about the 4 assumptions, out of which we are elaborating on the 4th assumption, which will help us make our first trading strategy, which is that the market always moves in trends. So we have talked about there are 3 kind of trends: downtrend, uptrend that we discussed earlier, and no trading zone. This is something that we have discussed so far. Okay, perfect. But I generally believe that fundamentals can help you find good stocks, while technicals can help you getting the right entry if you can rightly mix both of them. I mean, you should be clear with using both of them collectively. Like, I can use it, though I generally do not use it, but then I can use it. So people are not generally comfortable using it or not very equipped with that. That is why I might have told you there. As long as you are not mixing each other, you are mature enough to keep them separate in your mind, you can do both of them together. But maybe a beginner is generally not able to do so. That might have been the reason that I sometimes might say that technical analysis may not be good for you, if you really want to become a fundamental investor only. Okay, so just keep these 2 things separate in your mind. You will be able to manage both the things well. Okay, let's move on. I'm not very clear about the buttons etc. on the chart, but that will come with it. So this topic, the fundamental thing, is a very, very important topic for you. This will help you understand the companies well. Rather, it is important for everyone, anyone who invests in the companies. This topic is a very, very important topic.